Yo, hello, what is going on, guys? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video, and this video, guys, is about FLOKI, as you can already see by the title and by what we have on our screens today, guys. And in this video we will be talking, obviously, as we always do, about the updates, and I also want to touch a little bit more about FLOKI ecosystem, because it's something that definitely should be, you know, getting more and more exposure, because these guys are doing crazy good. Okay, so before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that said, we can dive into this video, guys. So first of all, to those that are new and haven't watched my previous videos, which I recommend you to go ahead and watch if you didn't, because there is a bunch of videos about FLOKI, Valhalla, all their products, so really go ahead and watch them if you are behind. So what is FLOKI? So FLOKI is the people's cryptocurrency and utility token of the FLOKI ecosystem, guys. It is focused on utility, community, philanthropy, and strategic marketing. FLOKI is working towards becoming the world's most recognized and used cryptocurrency. With over 490,000 holders globally, FLOKI has already established a strong brand presence. And if you want to learn more about FLOKI directly, you can always go ahead to their white paper. And first thing that you can see on the white paper is what we are actually discussing today, okay, guys? So FLOKI is the utility token of the community-powered FLOKI ecosystem, which you can see right here, okay? So guys, FLOKI ecosystem is a community-powered ecosystem that aims to give people control of their finances through 6 key utility offerings. So first of them being Valhalla NFT metaverse game, which is set to launch Q1 of 2025, so this should be anytime soon, really. Then the FLOKI TradingBot, which is also something that we covered in my other videos, but we will talk about it also in this one. FLOKI DeFi ecosystem, University of FLOKI crypto education platform, TokenFi platform, FLOKI staking program, and the FLOKI Places NFT and merchandise marketplace. So as you guys can see, the FLOKI ecosystem is really vast and it serves multiple industries within blockchain. So for today's video, as I said, we'll cover some of these sectors and the relevant updates, okay? So it is clear that FLOKI is much more than just a meme coin. Its utility is truly unparalleled, honestly. So to showcase just how much utility FLOKI brings, let's start with the actual trading bot first, okay? So let's go to the website, which is tb.floki.com, the fastest and easiest way to buy tokens, guys. And honestly, I've tested this trading bot. I also, as I said, have a video on it. It's very, very cool. I also received an airdrop, so I had some free money from using it, which is also pretty cool. So what is the FLOKI trading bot, guys? FLOKI trading bot is a Telegram bot that allows you to manage a hot wallet through the interface of your Telegram chats. So you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies across different blockchains, including the mainnets of Ethereum, Coinbase's Base, Binance's BNB chain, and recently Solana as well. So this is really nice, and also they have a really good performance. You can track the statistics here, guys, which, as you can see, the trading volume is absolutely crazy. So yeah, they also have 65,000 users, 82,000 total trades, and that is some of my trades around this 82,000. So yeah, really hyped up about this one because it's really cool, and it also, you know, it's much easier if you are on the go. I don't know, you're traveling or something, you want to buy some crypto, you can just load up whatever amount you want to your wallet on Telegram, to your FLOKI trading bot wallet, and then simply you can swap to whatever you need. So this makes it really convenient to use and very user-friendly, as I said. So you can really experience the fastest and simplest way to buy and manage tokens directly from Telegram app, because you no longer have to deal with slow dexes, transaction confirmations, slippage issues that all costs you money, right? So often this could mean the difference between a 1x or a 5x on the same trade, because sometimes, you know, the timing is really key when you entry into some of those trades. So this is really cool, guys, and honestly, this is really something that you can test yourself. And as I said, they also organize some cool events often with this trading bot, so that's really nice. They have all of those tutorials, how to use it. So I also made a video on this, and as I said before, guys, I tested it, I used it for a couple of months, and I can really recommend it when it comes to managing your crypto through your phone. Like, as I'm saying, you need to make a quick trade, go open your Telegram, type whatever contract you need for the token that you need to buy, and basically the bot will help you do it. So really it is very convenient, in fact, and it is really nice, guys. So when it comes to the trading bot, this is not the end of good informations, because they actually launch massive marketing campaign with CoinGecko to showcase FLOKI trading bot to millions of crypto users, guys. And there is this 1.5 minute video that I want to show you, so let's dive right into it together and let's see what they have to say here, okay?
Tired of missing out on the hottest token projects in Web3? Trading activities on Web3 are fast-paced. By the time you connect your wallet to the right DEX, you've already lost your opportunity. Meet FLOKI TradingBot, the simplest and fastest way to buy and manage tokens straight from Telegram. With just a few taps, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies in seconds across different chains directly from your Telegram app. Buy trending tokens instantly with just a few clicks. Our DEX aggregator automatically routes to the right DEX, so you don't have to search for it yourself. You can set snipe orders to catch opportunities in advance. FLOKI TradingBot supports more than 10 languages. You can now trade using the language you are most comfortable with. Our one-of-a-kind solution protects your funds with military-grade security. No one has access to your private key except for you. FLOKI TradingBot collaborates with high-profile projects to facilitate token airdrops, offering you exclusive tokens from some of the most exciting projects in the crypto space. Good news to our faithful FLOKI supporters. 50% of all fees go to buying and burning FLOKI tokens. Start trading now on FLOKI TradingBot to never miss out on the next 100x opportunities again.
And honestly, guys, the big thing about this bot is the fact that 50% of these fees are basically going towards getting FLOKI and burning it, because, guys, like, this makes the token really deflationary, and I've talked about this multiple times in my previous videos. It is super bullish because it decreases the supply, right? And when the demand is increased, the price can really just start growing and growing and growing and growing and growing, okay? Not the end of good news, guys. I have much more. So they are also expanding to Solana, as you can see. So yes, you will be able to use this bot with your favorite freaking Solana chain, which, as you guys know, Solana is absolutely crazy, and I mean it's hard to even emphasize how much money you can make on Solana if you entry into some good meme coins. So it's crazy. It's really nice that they are also supporting Solana now. Many people were waiting for that, so it's also a great news for all of those who waited. You can also earn points by trading any token for future TradingBot competitions, guys. So they also have this information here. FLOKI TradingBot is revolutionizing its trading competitions with a powerful new feature designed to reward real traders. This update allows you to earn points in all ongoing competitions simply by trading any token. This exciting rule is here to maximize your rewards and enhance your trading experience. So they also tell you how much points you earn, some example scenarios, how it works, what could be the benefits and bonuses and stuff like that. So again, they are doing a lot of stuff to promote this bot and to make it even more popular, which they absolutely should, because, as I'm saying, it's something that is definitely overlooked and by people in crypto, and definitely it deserves much more spotlight, okay? So if you want to follow all the updates, they can be found on the FLOKI account and also on the FLOKI TradingBot account. So these are the two accounts that you should be following if you want to stay updated with that, okay? So guys, next thing on the ecosystem is Valhalla. It is their game. So what is Valhalla? Valhalla is basically a blockchain-based MMO RPG inspired by Norse mythology, offering players the chance to discover, tame and battle with creatures called Veras. The game features a player-driven economy and a hexagonal battlefield designed for dynamic combat. So also, guys, you can play the game now, and it will be officially launched on mainnet in Q1 2025. So it is obviously fully developed by FLOKI, and it is their flagship utility MMORPG that ushers in enhanced play to earn mechanics and game treasury over $40 million, guys. So to get better idea about Valhalla and to full appreciate how big of a project this truly will be, let's take a look at their first Valhalla game trailer, guys, which can be found on their Twitter page, okay? So let's run.
Valhalla. Tame the untamed.
Really cool trailer, and that's not the end, guys, because there will be actually one more trailer. As you can see, they even named it trailer number 1. There will be number 2, so that's also really cool. And another thing, guys, about Valhalla is, again, I wanted to say that they are fully available. You can play it right now on testnet, and it's going on mainnet in Q1 2025, guys. So I don't know what you think. I would love to see what you think, but the graphics, the visual effects, all of this is really top notch. So to be honest, this will definitely gain a lot of popularity in my personal opinion. So it's tactical turn-based combat, as you can see. They have all of those fighting mechanics that are really cool, strategic, you know. So it's a really nice game, and it requires to build up some skill, you know, and it will be really competitive, so that's lovely. And also, guys, you can play it in multiplayer. Obviously, it's a whole open world multiplayer experience, right? So you can explore the whole open world of Valhalla, discover, you know, new locations, engage in battles, create your clan with your friends or people who you meet in the game, complete different missions and quests, and obviously engage with other players in some nice manners. So this is really cool, guys. And they also have an update about Valhalla on their Twitter. So they have rolled out this new patch, which is called V0.30.0. And basically you can go ahead, test the game, and people already, I can see the first comment, it works very well. So the game is more enjoyable now. So you can go ahead and test it. Maybe you will like it, and then you will also be very hyped up for the mainnet, same as I am. So guys, now let's talk about TokenFi, okay? Let's talk a little bit about TokenFi. So what is TokenFi? I have those informations here from this white paper, so I'm gonna read them to you, okay? So TokenFi is an all-in-one tokenization platform for creating tokens and tokenizing real-world assets, which is RWA for short, in a few clicks using a simple YG interface without touching a line of code. TokenFi is taking on the tokenization and RWA industry, which is projected to be a $16 trillion industry by 2030. So obviously, guys, to no surprise, TokenFi was created by FLOKI and is managed by FLOKI DAO as well, okay? So this is their website right here, and that's where you can find all the information about TokenFi, guys. I also have made video about TokenFi. It is available on my channel. All you really have to do is go ahead, go to the search bar on my YouTube, and then, guys, you can simply find the TokenFi video, okay? So TokenFi comprises several products, all powered by token. That's the name of the token. The name of the token is token as the main utility token. So you have TokenFi token launcher, you have quick launch bot, you have launchpad, generative AI, then you also have AI smart contract auditor, TokenFi connect, and TokenFi RWA tokenization module, okay? So if you want to stay updated with all the information regarding TokenFi, then you should definitely follow them on Twitter. And when it comes to the updates, they got listed on Kraken, and this will be the last but not least, obviously, update in today's video, that the token got listed on Kraken. So if you want to obtain it, then you can go ahead and do it on Kraken or a bunch of other exchanges, guys. So if you are interested in FLOKI and their whole ecosystem, which, as you can see, is really huge, and there is many things to explore here, many bullish things, this project still, in my opinion, is really undervalued, and once people will start appreciating it, the price could honestly go huge when it comes to FLOKI, because it's not your average meme coin. They actually have utility, they have whole ecosystem behind it, you know, and they are the OG, they are like the OG, you know. So let's see how they perform in 2025. Honestly, I see a really bright future for them. I wonder what you guys think, so be sure to comment down below. I will be engaging in the discussions with you as I always do, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next ones coming out soon.